Okay, I got two situations here for you. There's two separate parachutists, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out their impact force. So when they land, what's the force on their leg? And we're going to have person one who's going to land in a bent-kneed fashion. Person two is going to land in a stiff-legged fashion. So this person is going to try to absorb the impact. This person is not going to care about the impact at all. They're just trying to land. Now the main difference between these two people, you can see they're both falling at the same rate. They have the same mass, but the time that the impact occurs in is going to take 0.8 of a second for this person and 0.05 of a second for this person. So this person is absorbing the impact longer. Basically, their velocity is going to be taking a lot longer to slow to zero, as this person's is just going to slow to zero real quick. These are initial velocities, which is going to be a big deal when we calculate out our values. So let's do this first person. We know that the impulse momentum formula, Ft is mass times change in velocity. I want to find the force, so that's going to be mass times change in velocity over time. So it's an 80 kilogram person. My change in velocity, this is Vf minus Vi, so that's going to be my final velocity. I stop. My initial velocity was 10. That's why this thing being an initial was a big deal, because it's 0 minus 10. Over a time of 0.8 of a second. When you calculate that all out, put in your calculator, you get a value of 1,000 newtons negative, which means the impact force is 1,000 newtons upwards. Okay, so this person feels 1,000 newtons. Let's see what this person feels. Ft equals m change in V. That's going to end up equaling 80. 0 minus 10. This time it's happening over 0.05 of a second. So calculate this all out and you get 16,000 newtons negative. That means this person is feeling 1,000 newtons of force on their legs. This person is feeling 16,000 newtons of force. Big difference. There you go. Impulse momentum formula, specifically finding impact velocity or impact force.